We're used to wearing undershirts, and so he's just been running around in his undershirt. Walker, wave to Mommy. Staying on a tractor? Say yeah. Show me your pants. Show me your pants. Are they dirty? Turn around and show them to me. What happened to your eye?
Look at Mommy and
Walker.
what happened to your eye.
Look at me. Look at the camera.
Show the camera. What happened to your eye? Is that right? Spell it one more time.
No.
Huh? Are you going to go play on the tractor? Oh. What does the tractor say? Can you give me a moochie?
Mommy, I want this.
Yeah.
So cute.
Hey, get on him. Get on him, cowboy. Right him, cowboy. Whoa! Careful! Whoa! Cowboy, whoa! Right him, cowboy. Buck him off. Let him buck you off. Careful. Careful, don't get bucked off, cowboy. Ride him, cowboy. Ride him, cowboy. Ride him, cowboy.